Hi, are you out there and you're searching for an easy remote or easy online job that you can do at the comfort of your house and generate income? If yes, in today's video, I'll be showing you more platforms or more websites that are currently hiring chat moderators. And by chat moderators, it just means chatting online. It can be either a company, an agency, or it can just be individuals who are searching for people to keep them busy and they're going to pay you for the time spent. Before we get into that, in case you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also hit that like button. Kindly make sure you hit that like button if this is the type of content that you like. My last video, it's kind of similar to that one because I showed you platforms that are hiring chat moderators, and one of them was Crowdworkers. I got a few questions, people asking if you can do it on your phone. The answer is yes, you can easily be able to do it on your phone. However, on the website, they say strictly your computer, but guys, with your phone, you can also be able to do it. I also asked people from that video to tell me how much they are able to make in a week doing chat moderation, all in Crowdworkers, and most of them said $400 a week, and I thought that's good money. So in today's video, I'll be showing you more websites that are currently hiring chat moderators. The first company, it's called Remot for you. This is one of the most amazing company because they hire worldwide. You all know, all if you've not been in this working online space, there are so many companies that knocks people out just because they're from certain parts of the world. For instance, in Africa, however, this company hires from worldwide. It says become a chat operator and work from anywhere. The application process on Remot for you is very easy. The first thing you do is to apply. Easy application. The first part of the application is only asking you for your name and email. We will send you more information about the process once you confirm your email. There is also ID verification. You must be 18 years and above to be accepted to work for Remot for you, and they're going to require an ID or a passport. This is a document to verify that you're 18 years and above. After the verification, they're going to train you. Once the application has been approved and you've been verified, you will need complete and relevant training before you're ready to start. This is very important. I personally like such websites where they're able to train you before you start working. What will you be chatting about? We help thousands of non-Americans every day to have more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. That basically means you'll be chatting with lonely people and you'll be keeping them busy, and in return, they'll be paying you for your time. That is amazing. You will chat about everything from everyday life such as sports, weather, dreams, fantasies, and any other topics. And they tell you should be open-minded to just be able to talk about anything. As a chat agent, you'll be 100% anonymous, so you should not be worried about your identity. It's only text, there's no video and there's no voice. You will also be able to work independently with full flexibility. You'll be able to earn more depending on how often you work, and this platform allows you to either work full-time or part-time. It all depends on you. One of the amazing thing about Remot for you is the salary expectation. What is the salary? As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor, and therefore you will have freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. That means you can decide to be working 24 hours in a day, or you can just decide to be working for 2 hours. And the beauty is you can be able to work from anywhere you want as long as you have internet connection and your computer on your smartphone. There are different ways that you're able to earn on this site. There is a basic salary that depends on the amount of messages that you're able to send or you're able to respond. Our rates per message depend on various factors such as time, date, traffic, holidays, and more. It is hard to say exactly how much you can be able to earn, but skilled chat agents who works between 4 to 8 hours in a day and works for 5 days in a week, this is almost full-time, can easily be able to make $100 to $300 in a week. Some of the top agents make more, up to $3,000 in a month. Guys, you can be able to do this as a full-time if you decide. Moreover, there are bonuses. For example, if you send a higher amount of messages, there are certain bonuses that you're able to receive. You can also be able to work at any time you want. And the most amazing thing is that they have weekly payments, or they pay weekly, guys. Working online can sometimes drain you if you're not able to receive the money as faster or soon. So this company pays weekly, and that is an added advantage. The equipment, or what are the requirements? You must be a master of English in writing, because most of the people, almost everyone on this site uses English. You must be 18 years and above, and they must verify that. They also need to verify that you're 18 years so that they can raise payment, because if they detect that you're not 18 years and above, they are not going to pay you, or they're going to hold on your payment. You must of course have a computer, and you must have internet connections. Also, you must be able to send a minimum number of messages per week to remain an active operator. We can still break the payment or the salary expectations further. So in the first week, you'll be doing more of learning before you become competent into it, and you can be able to send between 25 to 35 messages per hour, and in total of 15 to 20 total works per hour, you can be able to earn between 110 to 170 paid out weekly. In week 2, this is the time that now you've gained a little bit of experience. You can be able to send 35 to 45 texts per hour, and if you work between 20 to 30 total working hours in a week, you're able to earn between 220 to 280 paid out weekly, guys. And now in week 4, in a month, you'll be a pro in it. And if you can be able to send between 45 to 60 texts in an hour, and be able to work between 20 to 40 hours in a week, you're able to make between $340 plus in a week. And guys, this money is paid weekly. The second company is called Texting Factory, guys. If you've never heard about Texting Factory, I don't know what you're doing, because this is one of the most famous sites that hires people to keep others engaged and to keep others busy. Texting Factory is an amazing company because it also hires worldwide, and guys, it says your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of 300 plus USD in a week. The application takes only a few minutes, and this company is always hiring chat operators. The application takes only minutes, and this company is always hiring chat operators to join the team. So this is another amazing company that's hiring chat moderators. As a chat operator, you'll be answering casual messages on fantasy-based text. You must be able to talk to customers, all the people on the chats, on all different types of topics. And guys, depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns between 50 USD to 300 USD in a week. Also, Texting Factory gives out bonuses to those people who are able to put in extra effort and be able to handle more chats than the others. And the good thing when working in the Text Factory, everything will be anonymous. Just text only, no video calls or no voice calls. You work from anywhere as much as you want, no qualification, and the support is always there 24/7. And guys, after you register at Texting Factory, you're going to undergo a very short training. Working with Texting Factory is very easy. The first step is to apply, then they're going to train you, and then you're going to get into the job market and start chatting. And the company is always online, and there are always people working for this company, or there are always people to respond to you in case you have a question. And the advantages is that you become your own boss. You can decide to either work full-time or part-time. The second advantage is that you get weekly payout, guys. Weekly payout is a keyword, or it's very important in this case, and you work from anywhere, part-time or full-time, anything you want. So it all depends on you guys. So this is another amazing company. And also guys, this company also requires to verify that you're 18 years and above. So they're going to ask for your ID or your passport, a document to verify that you're 18 years and above. That site is called cyberfriend.com. Cyberfriend is another amazing company, and they're going to pay you up to $100 to chat online. Video calls are not necessary. This requires you to chat, work from anywhere in the world, guys. This is a good thing, because there are so many companies that does not allow you to work from anywhere. You get to choose whom you want to chat with, or you get to choose whom you want to talk to, and you'll be 100% private. At the moment, as I am recording this, the company have 159 people waiting to pay someone to be their cyber friend. So if you're out there, you can rush into this and start making this money immediately. Chat online with only people you choose to talk. Concerning payment, there is no limit on the amount of money that you can make. The more you talk or the more you chat, the more you make. There are people who are even willing to pay anywhere between 20 to 50 USD in an hour. And the good thing is, guys, this company allows immediate withdrawal. So after 1 hour, if you've been paid 50 USD, you can be able to withdraw it right there. As you've seen on this site, there are 159 people waiting to pay someone to chat with. So if you can become a cyber friend, remember this is 100% anonymous, no video calls, no voice call, it's chat only. You can go on this site and register, and guys, you can keep on checking in case you find that they've closed. The good thing is you keep on checking each and every day, because I know many of these sites sometimes closes for hours or a day, or opens up for registration for a few hours and closes. So it's important to just keep on updated on what's happening there. That is it for this video. In case you have a question, you can drop it down on the comment section. And guys, if you have more tips on how you can be able to make money by this maybe chatting, or in case you have more sites that you use to make money by this chatting, you can drop it down on the comment section, guys, and let's chat, guys. And one thing that I have to tell you for sure, guys, if you find this type of video, the only thing that you can be able to benefit from them is to actualize. Pick one of these sites and actionize, go into them, do more research, go there, register. And the good thing is most of these sites offer training. Anyway, guys, in case you're able to succeed in any of these, kindly do not forget to come back and give us a review. And that is it for today, guys. See you in my next video. And if you did not watch my first video on how to make money by this chatting, I'll just going to link it here. See you in my next video.